We deserve $15 an hour.
We deserve to feed our families.
We deserve to feed our families.
We deserve respect.
We deserve respect.
We deserve paid sick days.
We deserve paid sick days.
We deserve dignity.
We deserve dignity.
We are working Washington.
We are working Washington.
We're standing up, not backing down.
We're standing up, not backing down.
Until the fight is won.
Until the fight is won.